I don't see what is wrong in giving them around 3 days. 3 days for me is sufficient. They would have sent information out. If they say some of their students are far, that would give them time. Access for 3 days for me is not too much to ask, bearing in mind that I have children staring at me in court. For me, I am suggesting 3 days because if they say the students come from far, information will get out today, then they have a day to travel and 2 days to actually come and sort out.
Tulifika kotini ili kwamba koti iweze kutoa uamuzi, tuweze kupata access to a building, ndipo tuweze kushughulikia wanafunzi ambao unaona hapa nyuma. Nataka nishukuru koti, maana yake imetoa uamuzi ambao at least tunaweza kusema kwamba it's a relief to us. Maana yake kukaa wanafunzi kaa nyumbani kwa muda wote, wakikaa nyumbani kwa sababu hawana school fees haingekuwa jambo bora. Kwa hivyo tumekuwa granted access to the building from kesho, that is for 3 days, tuweze kutoa hapo stakabadhi ambazo ni za muhimu sana kusababisha sisi na staff wote ili kwamba tuweze kwenda mahali pale tuweze kushughulikia wanafunzi wetu. Kwa hivyo tunataka to move with speed. Tunapotoka mahali hapa siku ya kesho na hiyo building inapofunguliwa, tutaenda pale tuchukue vifaa vya muhimu ambazo vitasababisha wanafunzi kwenda shuleni. Na nafikiria kwamba hata kila mtu ambako mahali hapa wako na furaha, si ndio? Yes. Kwa hivyo tunafurahia kwamba hiyo muda ambao tumepewa na koti ni mwaka kwetu sisi. Na hatuna shida na ownership of that building. We want to be very clear that we are not claiming ownership. What we are saying is that we want to be in a place where we have got some peace to serve these students. So whatever will be, even if it is a kiosk, even if it is a house, even if it's on the street, we don't care, so long as we are serving these students from anywhere.
They have coexisted together since the year 2002. What leads to this incident today was to get an order to access the premises to facilitate the students before us to be able to go to school, to be given the check and back pay slip for their fees at different institutions within Kenya. On this part, the matter was still within court, not to go into the substantive, but the core issue is that this is an issue of takeover of the organization and not an issue. It's an issue of conflict between public interest versus self-interest of particular individuals. We do pray that as the matter proceeds, justice will be able to prevail and the court will see the key issues that is being hidden by the respondent.